Hi, welcome to this video and this channel. In this channel, we give you information related to various courses offered in TVET institutions at universities in Kenya. I've already uploaded videos on various branches of mechanical engineering and electrical engineering and various entry levels for courses offered in electrical engineering. If you have not watched the videos, you can watch them in the link shown here or in my video description here. In this video, as you have already seen from the title of the video, we will be discussing about various courses that are offered in TVET institutions and universities and the entry requirement for the same courses. That is, from the grade that you scored in your KCSE, which course you'll be eligible to join. As we have seen from the just released result on Kenya Certificate of Secondary School Education, actually, most of the candidates scored grades that require them to join TVET institutions, and much fewer candidates scored grades that will take them straight to the university. And that's why I usually concentrate on courses offered in TVET institutions, because this is where the majority will go. But I also usually try to take care for those who will go straight to university by discussing the various courses offered in universities in Kenya. Currently, I'm uploading videos in mechanical engineering, but I pause to upload this video. In the next few months, I'll be uploading videos on various branches and entry levels in the field of civil engineering. So, if you are new to this channel, ensure you subscribe to the channel. If you also have a question that you want to ask after watching one of my past videos, or you have a contribution you want to make, you can go to my channel comment down here and leave me a comment. If you know somebody who just finished high school and they got their result, ensure you send the link to this video to them. You can also send the link to the video to those who are in high school or a parent or a guardian that has a child in high school, because I believe the best time to get the information on careers is not when you have already gotten your result, but when you are still in high school, so that you can be able to make timely decisions and necessary changes on the subject that you are doing in high school. I'll also be giving you more information on my past videos and how you can get them, so ensure you watch the video to the end. From what we have said, we are going to concentrate on courses offered in TVET institution. And in TVET institutions, the examining body is Kenya National Examination Council. And next is the same examination body for primary school and secondary schools. They have a career guidance book that is called the NEC Career Guidance Handbook. There is also another career guidance handbook that you can use. So in addition to this career guidance book, you can also use the COOP career guidance book. That is called the Essential Career Guide. We'll go through the Career Guidance Handbook and we'll be picking engineering courses or science-based courses. If you're interested in the business course, you can pause the video whenever necessary and check the entry requirement for business courses. But personally, I'll be concentrating on engineering and science-based courses. The first few pages are for the business courses. If you're interested, you can pause the video and have a look at them. You can check the course here. The level here, is it diploma certificate? The entry requirement here, the duration to the course here, and the potential career here. This career guidance handbook is also available online, because I also downloaded this online. And the first courses that you are going to start with are one in building and construction. Here there is carpentry and joinery, and it is a course for arts and level, meaning this is the lowest level. If you have watched my videos, this is the lowest level that you can start your engineering career. And this level only requires the KCP. If you have done KCP, you have not gone to high school, you can join engineering courses at arts and level. Alternatively, if you scored an E or a D minus, you can also join the engineering courses at arts and level. And the course will take you a total of 2 years. And the career will be in making furniture. And if you have checked my previous videos, I said because the number of students who have done high schools is already too high, most of the schools will only take students who have done high school, at least those who scored an E or a D minus. And for that matter, they usually shorten the course from 2 years to 1 year, because now they are no longer taking people who have done KCPE, but instead they are taking people who have done KCSE. So usually the course is shortened by some of the institutions. Then there is a masonry. It's also at arts and level, and it has similar requirement. Basically for the arts and courses, they don't have the same entry requirement across the board for all engineering courses. That is the building and construction and civil engineering, mechanical engineering, and electrical engineering. But for arts and courses, they are usually TEP. That is, the student will stay in the institution for the entire duration before sitting for the national examination. If you have been watching my videos, I've differentiated between the TEP program and the modular program. And we said modular program are program whereby you will sit for a national examination after end of every academic year. Then there is probing, also have the similar requirement. There is a certificate course, that is carpentry and joinery, and there is masonry. The requirement, a score which is Diploma in KCSE. The same case with masonry. Masonry nowadays is called certificate in building and construction, and will take a total of 2 years. Along this column, you can check where you will be expected to fit in the job market. Then there is certificate courses in probing, land surveying, road construction, water technology supply. And notice these courses have the same entry level, that is Diploma. For certificate courses, for most of the engineering courses, the entry level is Diploma, and they usually take a total of 2 years. But nowadays the courses are modular, that is, you sit for a next examination at the end of every academic year. There is Diploma in water technology, Diploma in water technology, surface water option. There is Diploma in water technology, groundwater, and there is also quantity surveying. Again, all these courses, the entry requirement is C-. Across the board you can see, and the diploma courses usually take a total of 3 years. And you can also check where you are supposed to fit in the job market here. But what I would like to say is that these courses will be available in different institutions. So the courses are not available in all institutions, but they may be available in some of the institutions. And again, these courses, especially the water related courses, they are also offered by an institution that is called Kenya Water Institute, that basically offers a diploma in water engineering that is a combination of all these options: the water supply, sanitation, surface water, groundwater. The same institution, that is Kenya Water Engineering, offers a course in water resource management and also offers a course in irrigation and drainage. So if you're interested with things to do with water, you can also check the Kenya Water Institute website and see what they offer. For next courses, they are no longer TEP, but they are modular. That is, you sit for the next examination after every end of year, and you'll be required to pass that examination before you proceed to the next year. There is Diploma in Civil Engineering, Diploma in Highway Engineering, there is Diploma in Architecture, Diploma in Photogrammetry and Remote Sensing, Diploma in Cartography, Land Surveying, Map Reproduction, Construction, that is Building Economics, Construction Structures, and Building and Civil Engineering. Not all the courses may be available in all institutions, again depending on the availability of the students. Notice the entry requirement for diploma courses across the board is C-, and the duration for diploma courses is always 3 years. There is certificate in cartography, photogrammetric, certificate in land surveying and road construction, and also certificate in or craft in water technology. Mostly for engineering courses, we call them craft courses because the graduate will be more of craftsmen. But for business courses, they are basically called certificate, or is basically called the certificate level. Then there is a diploma in building, and there's also a diploma in civil engineering, and both of them they have an entry grade of C-. And also there's also a diploma in architecture. Where you are seeing TVET, it means the course is modular, That is, you'll be sitting for the exam after end of every year. But what I would like to insist, most of the programs nowadays are modular, or what we call TVET. Then there is mechanical engineering and electrical engineering courses. We have certificate in mechanical engineering, and there are several options of mechanical engineering. I've already discussed that in my other videos. There are courses in certificate in electrical engineering, and I've already discussed the various branches of electrical engineering offered in TVET institutions in Kenya. And there is also Nuclear Sciences, and this is mostly referred as again mechanical engineering. So the craft for these three engineering courses, the entry grade is Diploma, similar to what you have seen in civil engineering, and the course will take a total of 2 years. So the duration is same for craft courses or certificate courses across the board. For diploma courses in mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, marine engineering, information communication and technology, and computer science. For diploma courses, again the entry grade is C-, and the course will take a total of 3 years. For courses in mechanical engineering, they are further elaborated here. There is aeronautical engineering, airframe and engine options. We discussed that in my earlier video. There is diploma in mechanical engineering production option. There is also diploma in mechanical engineering plant option. I've done a video specifically for these courses. Here you can check where you will fit in the job market. Make sure you go and watch my previous videos, because I've elaborated especially in mechanical engineering production option and plant option. If you have not subscribed the channel, ensure you subscribe the channel, because I'll be updating my videos. I've not done videos for civil engineering. I'll later do videos for civil engineering, the various branches and the entry requirements. So make sure you subscribe the channel so that you do not miss on my future videos. Now there is also mechanical engineering. Mechanical engineering fabrication and metallurgy option. It has a similar requirement, that is, you need to have scored a C-, and the duration is the same. And for the job market, mostly if you do this course, you'll be doing fabrication work. There's also a higher diploma in mechanical engineering, but for higher diplomas, you join them after finishing your diploma. You cannot join a higher diploma direct from high school. You need to do your diploma first. The higher diploma takes 2 years. I don't know whether this is a typing error. I'm seeing here for all their program, they are saying the higher diploma is 3 years, but the higher diploma is supposed to take a total of 2 years. The diploma courses in electrical engineering, they are also elaborated here. More information is given. For electrical engineering, I've also done a video on the various entry levels for courses in electrical engineering. If you have also not watched the video, you can check them on my video description. If you are using your computer, it's much easier to access your video description. Where you are seeing show more, click on show more, and the video description will be opened up, and you can check the link to those videos. If you are using your mobile phone, there's somewhere you can see a drop down arrow that looks like an inverted box. Click on that drop down arrow, and the video description will open up for you to check the link to the other videos. Now for electrical engineering, the various branches of electrical engineering offered in TVET institutions are diploma in electrical engineering or diploma in electrical and electronic engineering per option. There is diploma in electrical and electronic engineering, the communication option, and there is also diploma in electrical and electronic engineering, instrumentation option. I've done a whole video for these three, so make sure you go to my video description to get the link for those videos. And the entry grade for those courses in electrical engineering is C-, but if you had done clerk previously, you can also join diploma courses at second year. The same case with mechanical engineering and civil engineering courses. If you have already done a craft course that requires you to have scored a Diploma, after finishing the craft course, you can join the diploma course in second year of study. So you require to, so it will take you another extra 2 years to finish your diploma. But if you are coming direct from high school, diploma courses will always take a total of 3 years. There's also craft courses in electrical engineering for the same branches, that is electrical and electronic engineering, power option, electrical and electronic engineering, telecommunication option. Similar to craft in mechanical engineering courses, the entry grade is Diploma, and the courses usually take a total of 2 years. For those who have scored grades that can take them straight to the university, I'm also not going to leave them out. In my previous videos, we have said for electrical engineering courses, you can do Bachelor of Science in Electrical Engineering. That will take you a total of 5 years if you're coming direct from high school. You can do a Bachelor of Technology in Electrical Engineering. That will take you a total of 4 years. For Bachelor of Science degree course, we said you'll be registered as an engineer. For Bachelor of Technology degree course, you'll be registered as a technologist. Or you can also do a Bachelor of Education Technology and you major in Electrical and Electronic option, and in this case you become a lecturer in one of the TVET institutes. To do this course, that is Bachelor of Education Electrical and Electronic option, it is offered in Mary University, Dedan Kimathi University, Moi University, Masinde Muliro University, and University of Eldoret. The same case for mechanical engineering. If you have scored a grade that can take you straight to university, you have an option. You can do a Bachelor of Science course in mechanical engineering. There are a number of branches or subfield of mechanical engineering. We have already explained them in the previous videos. Or you can do a Bachelor of Technology course in mechanical engineering. Similar to electrical engineering, Bachelor of Science course will take a total of 5 years. You'll be registered as an engineer, and Bachelor of Technology course will take you a total of 4 years, and you'll be registered as a technologist. If you are alternatively, if you're interested in pursuing mechanical engineering and your grade do not allow you to do a Bachelor of Science course in mechanical engineering, you can still do a Bachelor of Education course in mechanical engineering. And the Bachelor of Education course in mechanical engineering will lead you to a career as a lecturer in one of our TVET institutions. Similar for civil engineering, if you have scored a grade that can take you straight to university, you can do a Bachelor of Science course in any of the subfield in civil engineering, or you can do a Bachelor of Technology course in the subfields of civil engineering, or you can also do a Bachelor of Education course in building and construction that is offered in the same universities that I've stated earlier. Now let us go through some of the science-based courses, and some of the science-based courses that we have here are in the field of food and beverage. And we have Diploma and Certificate in Baking Technology. We have Diploma and Certificate in Food Processing. We also have Dietetics, which is a diploma course. The entry grade are the same as we have seen previously. You can also check where the career path, where you can fit in the job market here. There is also other courses in community work. You can check the courses here. Medical lab technology, so at diploma level. The requirements are more detailed here. For medical courses, the cluster is usually an issue, and here you'll be working in hospitals. There are more diploma courses in medical related field, and the entry behavior or the grade required are elaborated here. Here cluster subjects are also given, and this is where you fit in the job market. If I'm going too fast, you can pause the video and take a good look at them. There are also courses in hairdressing. There are some courses under mechanical engineering that we had not seen earlier. There is a motor vehicle mechanic, which is an arts and course. There is also certificate in automotive engineering, craft course. Then there is courses in the field of agriculture engineering. There is also a diploma in automotive engineering, which requires you to have a C-. I've done a video differentiating between diploma in mechanical engineering, plant production, and automotive engineering. The courses usually take 3 years for diploma level, and you'll be working as a motor vehicle mechanic, and you can go up the field level of being a supervisor. Then there is another subfield of mechanical engineering, diploma in construction plant. It is still under mechanical engineering. That is maintenance of the various machines. That is maintenance and operation of various machines that are used in construction industry. That is the earth movers. I've mentioned it in one of my earlier videos on differentiating the various branches of mechanical engineering. You can also watch my past videos, but you'll be working as a mechanic or supervisor for construction plant and heavy equipment. There are also science courses for the petroleum industry. That is petroleum geoscience, diploma and certificate level. There's also environmental science technology, and there's also chemical engineering. The entry grade for the diploma is C- for all the courses, but for the certificate course in petroleum geoscience is D-. The duration is similar to other courses, and you can check the job market where you fit the job market there. There are also courses on fashion and design and garment making, both diploma and certificate level. They are offered in a number of stations, and there are courses in the textile technology. We have a diploma in textile technology and another diploma in garment making. You can use this NEC handbook, or you can use the COOPS handbook to learn more about the various careers offered in TVET institutions and universities in Kenya. But what I would like to insist is that there is need for research for careers. Don't enroll in a course because everybody is doing it. Don't enroll in a course because you heard somebody succeeded in it, but do research, do due diligence before you join a course. It's also worth noting, for engineering courses, you need to have a good performance in mathematics and sciences. The entry levels given here are not indicating the performance required in mathematics and physics, but at least you need a good score in mathematics and physics if you want to sail through easily. Improve your performance in mathematics and physics, especially to prepare yourself for science-based or engineering courses. The best time for preparing for careers is in Form 1 and not in Form 4 or after clearing Form 4. And I always insist that the best time for preparing for a career is from Form 1. As you go through the 4 years in high school, you'll be making decisions depending on the career choice that you want. If you're interested in engineering courses, make sure do not drop physics, and also you improve your performance in mathematics. Again, if you're interested in medical related courses, make sure do not drop biology, so that you can be a product of your good decision, not just a victim of circumstances. So I'll add it there, but please continue doing more research if I have not mentioned a career of your interest. Remember, if you know somebody who is in high school, or a parent or a guardian that has a child in high school, make sure you send my channel link to them. We can now meet in the next video, where I will be discussing the various topics that you should take seriously in high school if you want to pursue a course in mechanical engineering. I believe I have not wasted your time in this video, and certainly not in the next video.